Logan's searching for Easter eggs, and he's doing a good job. Money, that's right. You're going to put it in your basket? And there's the ones he's already found. I know, lots of eggs. There's one more on the barbecue, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job, sir. I know. There's more. You gotta keep going. There's more eggs. Go by your house. Look at your house. Oh, you found one in the lawnmower. Okay. Good job. Good job, buddy. Very good. Mommy sees some over here. The Easter Bunny hid some over here on your house. Oh. Good eye, Bug. Are there more? Go get him. Look down, baby. Oh. Holy moly. That's your M&M case, buddy. Come over here. Mommy sees one over here. By the umbrella. Did you see it by the umbrella? Look to your right. Look towards the umbrella, buddy. Good job, sweetie.
Money.
Is that money too? Wow, that's a full basket. I think there's more. Do you see more? I think you saw more. Yeah? Good job. There's one on the barbecue. Do you see it? The white one on the barbecue. Keep going. Do you see it? No? Want some help?
No.
Look right. Okay. No. Good job, bud. Think there's one more in your sandbox. Right there, buddy. Right there. Good job.
Money.